morning everyone. I am up and early because we have to leave to go to the subway to meet up with this group called Wink that organizes these tours all around Korea. We're going for a weekend trip because we are going for Amy's birthday. So I'm up bright and early, woohoo! As you guys can see outside, I woke up and I showered, and now I'm just doing last minute packing before I head out. It's going to be, I believe, a 3 to 4 hour drive, and then after that we'll arrive at this river where we can do rafting, and I'm super excited for that. But sadly I'm not going to vlog it. Can't speak, but sadly I'm not going to vlog it because, you know, there's water, so I don't want to risk my camera falling in the water and all my footage is gone, and my expensive vlogging camera is just goes down the drain. Yeah, I don't usually wake up this early, so I'll try my best to vlog all the other parts, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and thank you guys for watching.
Something else will cook. I don't know.
Me?
I want to see the salad. Her place.
How is it? Good?
Typical Canadian.
Send more over the mark.
Our drive is in beef, and we decided to get some ice cream, and we stopped at Baskin Robbins in this little town because you can never go wrong with Baskin Robbins. And I got the flavor Mango Tango because I want something fruity right now, and then baby's getting hers. I don't know what she got. Let's find out.
I love Potion 31.
Oh, she's looking for love. Single man out there. Okay. You have to be under 30 and over 20, so ain't gotta be taller than her. She's like 5'3", 5'4".
I'm taller than that. I'm 5'5".
She's 5'5". They're right.
I was so tired. I scanned my metro card on the left side and then I walked through the right side, and the thing like popped out that I didn't walk through it.
Oh.
The alarm was going off. It scared the lady in front of me.
Oh, really?
It was pretty empty, and I was like, I don't know what's all that.
Oh, was that like, what, 5 in the morning?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Look at the other foreigners who decided to join us after eating beef. Ooh, look at that stomach. Big stomach.
Hello. Oh.
Wait, are you recording?
I'm scared of.
She's recording.
Why?
we arrived at our resort and now we need to check into our room. And because there's 7 of us, we got the big room and we get a living room that we can all share. So this is pretty amazing because this is a really nice, legit resort. I didn't expect any of this, so. Hello, hello Adrienne. I haven't introduced her to my vlog, but this is Adrienne. Do you want to introduce yourself?
My name's Adrienne.
And what else?
Hi.
Okay, you'll see her more. Alright, we're at our room. I'll give you guys a quick tour of our resort. This is the guys' room. Very simple. There are futons and blankets. We need some extra because there's 7 of us. And here's Mackenzie from the resort. And Adrienne.
Adrienne!
And then Yeong.
Come here!
And here's our setup. We need like 2 more pillows and probably 2 more blankets because there's not enough.
2 more blankets?
Yeah, because there's 3 blankets. So we need 1 more blanket.
1 more blanket? Okay.
Yeah, and here's our nice bathroom. My first time seeing a bathtub in Korea. Isn't this amazing? And then we even have what is this life that is for the toilet? And then moving on, here's Amy.
Wow.
And here's the boys' bathroom. Or the girls, we can all share. Doesn't matter, it's really nice. And here's our living space room. Everyone's chilling here. Yay! And here's the kitchen. We have a free kitchen that we can use. But the best part is not the kitchen, it's our free AC. So we're gonna blast that on because it's expensive in Korea. And then we have a TV. They gave us a drying rack. And outside, we have a shared balcony. What? It's amazing. Okay, our view is ruined by the tree that's blocking it, but that's okay. That's okay. Still gorgeous. If I didn't introduce you guys already, there's Justin, Mark, Adrienne already, and Liam with his white socks. Yes, and there's Mackenzie again.
Start learning how to do parkour.
Oh, wait. I thought there was something underneath.
Beautiful.
Women send you the city. You gotta send me the city, man. Nick's taking the video, but we're all on the video now.
Liam, what the hell?
Huh?
So creepy. Okay.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Photographer, do you want one? Vogue.
I'm gonna do mine.
Okay, do your Vogue pose. One, 2. Whoa.
Did you do that?
Vogue for us. 1, 2, 3.
I feel weird doing it because the boys are. Oh, it's warm. Oh, my goodness. I wish we had 2. I wish we had 2.
I know, isn't that what a lazy river is supposed to be?
Yeah.
Try Mackenzie's one. Let Amy try. Go on the slide. 1, 2, 3, go.
No, yeah, exactly. It's not like super into it. It's like a huge departure from this game. Yeah. What?
It's just like in the
That's how it works, right?
That's how I died.
I'm good, buddy. Why do I do this?